Okay, we have a LEBLOND Makino 19 by 150 inch servo shift engine lathe, model 19 inch Regal, serial number 19E334. Machine was new in 1992. We're gonna run her for you. Machine has a CAMLOK D1/8 spindle with a 3 1/8 inch bore. It goes from 40 to 1600 RPM. It has a servo shift. That's forward and reverse he just ran. We're gonna do a shift. It's gonna oscillate. And shift. And that's a higher speed. Right, the machine has a 12-inch 3-jaw chuck on it. We have 2 roller type steady rests. We're gonna go up. All right, how was the speed? 219, okay. Going up, or reverse, okay, reverse. So the machine does inch-end metric threading, very quiet. We're gonna run some feeds for you now. That's the cross feed, which you can see on the digital readout. Longitudinal feed, also you can see on the digital readout. It's a reverse of the carriage feeds. That's longitudinal. Again, you can see it up on the DRO. Machine also does have a micrometer carriage stop. Oh, and he's threading. He engaged the half nut. Tailstock. Tailstock has a number 4 Morse taper with 7 inches of travel. Could you show that you can stop it from the carriage as well? Okay, you stop it from the carriage or start it. You can start it from there too. Okay, beautiful. You can also see that by Angel's hand is the thread dial, which it has for threading. So you have micrometer stop, thread dial, 2 steady rests, live center, 3-jaw chuck. 2-axis digital readout, servo shift, 40 to 1600 RPM, inch metric threading. Hey, thank you for watching our video.